Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning, so this is what I've got going on for today. So Saturday, I ended up doing computer work basically all day long, and so I did not end up touching these guys. So what I'm going to do today is get them at least ground. We'll see how far I can get them. I want to get this little axe head, I want to get it completely done and get it off to the owner so he can have it welded back on. So we want to get that done, and then I'll see how far I get done on the chef's knives. And we also have the stuff from Grainger, the industrial supply, to help with the motor mounting. So I'm going to play with that for a little bit, and then we'll see what else happens. Big announcement, we got the Benchmades in. Steven and Daniel couldn't come yesterday, so we'll have an unboxing of that today, and so we'll end up playing with folding knives for an hour or so. There'll be Benchmade videos to come. If you're not familiar with Benchmade, they are a folding knife company, completely made in the US. They're pretty close to Portland, Oregon, excuse me. So we're absolutely stoked to have those in stock, and they'll be for sale very soon. All right, have a great day. Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, April 3rd, and so what I've got going on today is more of these guys. So I didn't actually have any time to work on these yesterday, so they're still in their completely rough and raw form from heat treat. So I'm hoping to get these completely ground, at least the 3 of them completely ground, hopefully ready for handles, and then the other 2 will come probably tomorrow. Had a few cool interruptions yesterday. The Benchmades came in, so Steve, Daniel, and I opened up all the Benchmades, looked at them. So they'll be hitting the website soon. We'll have product videos and information on them in the next week or so. So look for those guys to come out. We'll start featuring them in some videos. We're talking about doing like a folder Friday, and just talking about 2 or 3 folders kind of every Friday, just randomly, and get that video out pretty quickly. So look for that to come. We'll figure out what we're going to do with it, and then go forward from there. Otherwise, in other news, this is very exciting. Is the display cabinet is now coming out, and we have work on the display room starting. So super stoked, super happy about it. Thanks much. Good morning, it's Thursday, April 4th. So what I got going on today, I know you're gonna get tired of hearing me say this, but I still haven't gotten these shiny. So I'm gonna work on getting these shiny. What I did get done is I have a bunch of other random knives for stock that I got all the spines cleaned up. I got them down to their final shape, and so now I can drill some holes in between working on other things that require a little bit more attention. It's a lot of things going on in the shop right now. We have the showroom expansion going on, and just lots of distractions yesterday. Beautiful, lovely distractions that we were really excited about, but it kept me away from knife making for most of the day. So I decided to work on something that I basically couldn't mess up as easily with lack of focus and distractions and forget where it was and what I was doing. So I hope to get working on those today, make some good progress on everything, and I'll check back in later tomorrow. See, there it goes. Good morning, it's Friday, April 5th. So what I got going on today is I am gonna get these a little bit more shiny. You can see I got some work done on all of them, but not nearly enough. So I'm gonna be working on these guys some more. What we did get done is I got some handle designs planned. So John, Macho Man, came in last night and was able to get some drilling done for me. So he got all the pinholes drilled in a couple different sets of knives that are gonna be for stock. I'm planning this cool little like Santoku, mini Santoku with a paring knife kind of set, but they'll also be up for sale individually or as a set. I'm kind of experimenting with that kind of thing right now. So not really going to work on those today, but just showing progress. And so my main goal is to get these 3 guys up to shiny, and I'm going to try to get ready for handles. We'll see how much happens. In other news, I'm going to take you over here for a second and show you. So this is the current state of the showroom. We are paused right now, unfortunately, because we just found a water leak in the tub in the apartment, which is right above the showroom. So we've got to take care of that, and then they'll get to hanging sheetrock. And so it should be done end of next week. We're gonna have a showroom. Very exciting. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it's Saturday, April the 6th. So I made some progress yesterday. I got all 3 of them basically up to 400. So I will be finishing the polish on these guys, and then one of them I'll be getting the handle on. The other 2 I need to do a little modification to. I actually did not drill them properly, so I'm gonna drill through the back through them. I ordered a new carbide bit because we just recently broke ours. So I'll be doing that today, get them all ready for handles, and then be getting a handle on this guy, and then I'll start getting the other 4 knives that I'm working on. I'll get them all the way through shiny as well, and that's my day. Have a good one.
Hey guys, Steven here. So little progress today on this. I managed to get the flats polished up a little bit. Problem is I had some little spots I need to get rid of, so I'll take care of that tomorrow. I'm a little bit behind, but this week I'll catch up on it, and hopefully by Friday. Hey guys, progress today. I've got this guy all ready for handling. It's kind of ugly underneath. Luckily that'll all be hidden by these guys. Some nice ivory white micarta scales, and I'm gonna get it glued tonight. Tomorrow I should be done shaping the handle and getting it all nice and pretty, and I'll send you guys a picture of that then. So see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so I got the handle put on this. It's all dirty, all messed up right now. By the end of the day I want this to be done, and so that's what I'm hoping to accomplish today. I got everything all nice and polished right up here. I got the finger ring inside polished. There's a lot of noise going on, but yeah, that's what I'm hoping to get done today. So.
All right, everyone, I'm gonna make this quick. We've got a lot going on today, but I've got Michael Lindsay's Bowie out of the heat treating oven and tempered. We're gonna get to work cleaning it up, getting it ready for a guard and handle, so hopefully I can get this soldered on today. Still a little hot. And then I've cut this out. This is for a new project that's got on my table kind of quick. It is for Monkey Tail Bar. It will be opening up soon this month, hopefully, and I'm trying to get this paring knife for them. I will give you the design and show you what what it's supposed to look like later on this week once I get this closer to being finished. But until then, these are going to be the 2 things that I'm working on for this week. So other than that, guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what's going on over here today. So as you can see, some new stuff going on. All right, guys. All right, everyone. So basically, I've got my Bowie for today that I will be working on. I've got the guard fitted. As you can tell, it is already soldered. I'm going to be notching out my handle material here. As you can see, we've got some koa, and basically I will be fitting that in. That will be notched out on one end, and I will notch the other blank out, so that way we have a hidden tang. Should get this done up today. I should get some epoxy and then the handle shaped. You should see the end of it later on this week. We will be talking to you soon. What's up, guys? Today is Friday, April 5th. It is a little earlier this morning. I came in a little early to make sure I get this taken care of. But here we have Michael Lindsay's Bowie. So just so you guys can take a look, this koa came out really, really beautiful. The only thing I need to do now is sharpen it. As you can tell, I can touch this without having any worries. But basically, this is all done. This and another knife he brought in a while back, I had to throw a pin in it because it kept coming out of this plastic handle material. I'll be cleaning up where the epoxy's at. So those 2 things will be what I need to take care of right away. I will jump on this as soon as I'm done filming this clip. Other than that, I'll be working a little bit on Monkey Tail's knife for Monkey Tail Houston, which is a bar that's opening here in Houston sometime this month. And then we'll be working on anything else that I've got coming in. Just stay tuned. We'll see. We got one more day in the week, and I will show you what I'm working on tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, Daniel again, just coming in on today's video. I know I talked to you about the project I did for Michael Lindsay, which is now finished and sharpened. That was pretty quick. It's not even midday, and I'm on to my next project. So this is a little addendum for this clip. I'm just adding these. This is what I'm going to start on so you can see the progress I'll be having. Had a lady who had a bunch of old pocket knives and kind of new ones here to kind of get refurbished and looked at and cleaned up. Basically, I'll do a smaller, more in-depth video where you can see what we're doing on these knives each. But for right now, this is just what they look like prior to that. So that's just a little progress video. I'll be showing more of these tomorrow on my next progress update. Thanks, guys. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Friday, or no, it's Saturday, at the end of our week. Coming to an end for this week. You've seen a lot of progress on what we've done. Just to kind of show you, I've worked on those pocket knives a little bit more. I've got 3 completely finished. Here's that Buck 110, beautiful traditional knife. I've got it sharpened and cleaned up. As you can see, the brass is no longer patinaed. We've got any kind of rust or corrosion out of it and done. If you can kind of tell right there, let's see if I can get the inside of that. Bam. So nice and clean in there, guys. As you can see, looks really good. The newer Buck just needed a quick sharpen, cleaned off a little bit of the markings and scuffs on it. Easy peasy. This guy we sharpened and we buffed, cleaned up a lot of this back end. As you can see, back here we had some issues with some rust and some spots where there's going to be some pitting. So that'll be some witness marks that'll stay in there for the length of this knife, and that's just an easy quick pickup. I've got these 3. Remember these guys, the Roby Shurridge and the Boy Scout knife along with the Barlow. I'm not gonna be able to sandblast them just yet. We've got some construction going on, so sandblasting won't be ready till next week, which is when I'll be able to touch these again, and that's fine. I've got myself some time on some deadlines. But other than that, as you can see, a lot of them are oiled up, so the mechanism is actually a lot smoother. I'm not having any issues opening these guys. So once the Sonic Cleaner did its work on it, it did a good job. Other than that, that's what I've worked on since yesterday, and you saw. And then I've got Monkey Tail Houston. There's this bar that will be opening up soon. Their paring knife is being done. I've already got the grind lines in, the holes drilled. I'll probably be working on this because I've got some free time today, helping out with whatever else goes on. So that'll be the end of the week for us, guys. Hope everything's been going well with everyone. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, any questions you have, always contact us on the website, Facebook, Instagram, any way you guys can. Hope to hear from you soon, guys. Bye-bye.